Hi there. Ready to explore? In the morning, Elena puts on her rainy explorer gear. She steps outside, eager to explore the wet world. The raindrops fall, each one making a gentle splash. Elena laughs as her boots send water flying. At the playground in her raincoat, Elena watches the raindrops race down the slide. She giggles, listening to their cheerful melodies. They sound like tiny bells ringing. The playful rain makes her smile. Afternoon finds Elena in the science lab, dressed as a lab scientist. She taps the table, listening for the raindrops' music. Each surface makes a different sound. She wonders at the magic of water's song. Back at the playground, Elena sees colors in the sky. The rain has slowed, and a rainbow appears. She watches the colors shimmer and glow. The world feels like a painting. In the evening, Elena is back in her playroom. She lines up her toys, ready for music. Each toy makes a different sound. She taps and shakes, feeling nature's rhythm. At night, Elena snuggles into bed in her midnight pajamas. She whispers softly to herself, thinking of raindrop songs. Her eyes twinkle with wonder. Do raindrops sing to the stars? See you soon!
Thank you very much.